I think you might be too drunk.
Let me tell you something, Oral. Drunk is nature.
I'm not really comfortable hunting with you right now.
You're not comfortable hunting with me? Have you ever tried hunting with you? I gotta tell you, Oral. Your cup is always half empty. Now look at me. You should be more like your old man and look on the blight side of life.
Blight?
I didn't say bright. I said blight. My life is sunny and blight. Bright means the opposite. It means sudden, withering death. And that's... no. Oh, who am I kidding? My life is full of bright.
You mean blight?
Oh, God.
What's the matter?
I hate myself. Why do you quit working on me? She always fools me, Oral. I'll make things better, dear. Drink me. Put me inside you. I'm great. And she chokes me just like every other whore out there. They're all worthless, kid. Every woman. Don't let them get you. All of them want to get you. They just grab you and pull you into them. And then you're forced to stay in and pull out, stay in and pull out. And then they got you and they grip you finally right where it counts. And then they start squeezing things out. Things that are like weights around your head. You sit there for the rest of your life with nowhere to go and no one to be.
Dad! Are you okay?
Okay? Am I okay? You shoot one thing this whole trip? Count 'em, one thing. And it's 2 of my last bottles of liquor?
Sorry, Dad, it was an accident.
There are no accidents! You've done nothing but whine like a lady in a flowery sissy skirt and attractive high heels about my drinking since we got here!
It's because you become a bad person when you drink.
Oh, I do I? Well, we'll see about that. No, God.
Dad!
Get away from me!
Oh!
Myself! Okay. It's time you became a man. Where's my raffle?
I don't think...
There it is.
Dad, watch out!
Please, Oral, I know exactly what I'm doing.
Yeah, but you might shoot it off by mistake.
There aren't any mistakes either. No mistakes, no accidents, no flub-ups, no boners.
But-
Don't butt me!
Dad,
Oral, what have you done?
I got shot by you.
You sure did. You've got to learn to be more careful, son.
It hurts, Dad.
Well, it's supposed to. Pain is nature's spankings.
Dad, I'm bleeding a lot.
We're gonna need some cloth for a tourniquet.
I think a shirt would work.
Attaboy.
My lucky shirt?
Well, maybe it'll finally start kicking in. I guess my lucky gun trumped your lucky shirt, Kitterino.
Dad, I have some disinfectant in my first aid bag.
First aid? I thought I told you not to bring that.
Yeah, well,
Hello. Okay, this might sting a little. Oops.
I hate you.
Hate away, sister. Hate away.